Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a storage location in the Spotify app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, then we tap on settings and privacy, then we scroll down and tap on data saving and offline, and here if you scroll down again, under storage location we have the option to select if we want to use the device storage or the SD card that is added to our phone's storage as the space where Spotify is going to save the music that we download. So yeah, we can set it up here, and we can set it up however we like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.